Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Kate in the City. I am so happy to give you, as promised from my last video, another giveaway. Yes, we are doing back-to-back giveaways. Baker's Creek has decided to once again sponsor our giveaway. So what we have is we have a 13 pack of seeds, and this is our salsa mix. Okay, so these were all hand-picked seeds. So let's go ahead. We're going to take a look at the Baker Creek website, a little bit about them, and then we'll go ahead and look at each of these seeds individually. So this is Baker Creek's website. It is rareseeds.com if you've never been there. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description down below. And what they do is that they offer you a huge variety of GMO-free, open-pollinated heirloom seeds. So here on his About page, it tells you a little bit about Jerry Gettle, who is the founder of Baker Creek, and here's a nice picture of his wife and children and him. And underneath it gives you a nice little bio on himself and how he went ahead and started this company. Also under the About tab, I wanted to quickly touch on the Safe Seed Pledge. So we're going to go ahead and go to that page really quickly. The Safe Seed Pledge says that they don't knowingly buy or sell any genetically modified seeds or plants. You can learn more about the Safe Seed Pledge at gene-watch.org. Under their Seeds tab, you can search for seeds and plants via category, or you can search in the top search bar. And don't forget to sign up for their free catalog in beautiful colored print. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get to our giveaway. Winners will be announced Sunday, February 18th. Our first pack of seeds is the Tam Jalapeno. These are a molled jalapeno type with the same delicious flavor as standard jalapenos, but with a lot less heat. And these have great yields. Next we have Martino's Roma tomato, which is a determinate variety that is great for sauces, salsas, and pastes. Next we have the Tampequino Serrano Pepper. It's a large plant which bears club-shaped fruit, very hot and pungent, distinctive flavor. Cilantro is a must-have for salsa, and it's very popular in Mexican cuisine. The Rutgers Tomato is an heirloom from New Jersey. It has great yields and a nice strong flavor. Shi Ko is a mild and tasty bunching onion that is an heirloom from Japan. These white habaneros hold a smoky taste and an extreme heat. 1 to 2 inch creamy, top-shaped fruit. The Habanada Pepper, with all of the fruity and floral notes of the habanero without any of the spice. This is a must-have for your salsa mix. The Peperone di Cuneo pepper is a tomato-shaped sweet pepper that's very productive with thick walls. This mix of Chinese chives is both cold tolerant and has a nice garlic flavor. The yellow Vernissage tomato is a small yellow cherry tomato with pale cream stripes that comes from the Ukraine. The Peron Tomato is very densely fleshed and meaty, making it great for both slicing and canning. The last pack of seed in our giveaway is the yellow of Parma onion. This is a large globe onion that makes an excellent keeper. Okay guys, so I have 13 packs of seeds, so 13 lucky winners will each win one pack of seeds. And to enter the giveaway, you must do 3 things. You must be subscribed to my channel, so go ahead and subscribe if you're not already. Share this video on one social media platform such as Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, and then go ahead and tell me down below your 2 favorite packs of seeds. Winners will be announced on Sunday, February 18th, 2018 by the end of the day. Good luck, everybody! As always, thanks for watching Kate in the City. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. Ring the bell to get automatic updates, and I'll see you next time.